Hi viewers, welcome to Manimantha TV. Today we are with Sian Mali sir. Today's topic is Indian seafood export touches 7.5 billion in the financial year 2025. Sir, I think it's a huge success, I think, sir.
Yes, there's a great achievement by the people who are dependent on seafood, exporting seafoods.
Exporting seafood.
How much effort they have to put to reach this level of winning the confidence of global consumers. That's the most important. Locally, it will be easy, selling easy, but global consumer means they expect quality standards, pricing competition, and also the delivery. Everything depends upon the market. Means the winning the confidence of global consumers is great success. And reaching the $7.5 billion only in seafoods exports is for the year is great success. We should compliment all the people who are seafood exporters. And for this purpose, major importers are United States, Europe, China. Are the major importers of Indian seafood. 16.98 lakhs metric tons of seafood. Worth rupees 62,500 crores, that is 7.2 billion during the financial 24-25. And there are the products. Frozen shrimp is the major component. Major product is the export of seafoods export. As per the Marine Products Export Development Authority, which regulates the export of seafoods to other countries, the major importers of seafood from India are United States and China. The frozen shrimp is an important component that sold worth 43,300 crores, that is equivalent to $5.17 billion, which consists of 43% of total seafood exports. And shrimp, another one is component, that is also 8%. And during the year 24-25, United States is the largest buyer. Largest buyer of frozen shrimp. And next one is China. And Europe Union, Southeast Asia, Japan, and all was importers from Indian seafood. But major exports were gone to seafood export gone to USA. And the many products of Vanamel, Black Tiger, Scampi has increased its quantity and value. Those are seafoods. Frozen fish, frozen squid, frozen cuttlefish, dried items also contributed for increasing the seafood exports to other countries. Chilled and live seafood products also exported during the year. See, what does it show? So 50-60 years back, we used to import many products, many eatable products also, regular nested items also. In 1948, we used to see PL 180. Every time, wheat powder, wheat flour has to come from US. Now, we are sending our food items to other countries. So, during these 70 years, India has emerged an exporting country from importing country. As far as food items also concerned, it's a great achievement we are receiving. And all these farmers, even dairy also, dairy also, that Amul like products, many popular in many parts of the world. Seafoods, agri-foods, everything is being exported outside the country and fetching the value to the farmers. 20-30 years back, we used to see that Indian products are considered as defective quality, second quality, but not acceptable to even locals also. We used to import the goods from outside country for better quality, even by paying high price. Now, what is happening after 30 years, 20 years? The Indian consumers are accepting local products as well as exporting also. See, this is a change happened. Importers become exporters now. because of quality standards maintained, price, delivery, winning the confidence of global consumers and facing global competition. These are success stories. So we should celebrate India is not only now independent country, Atmanirbhar Bharat. India is self-sufficient. India is in a position to extend support to the needy countries also. Now we are in a strong position. We can extend support to many countries which need our support, as we did during vaccines. As a distributor vaccine, nearly 80 countries. We are exporting marine food. We are exporting agriculture products, fruits, dairy products, even advanced technology of cars also. So this is the chain is happening, and we should respect the people who are contributing for exports. They are the real people. They are real heroes. They should be respected for their success in winning the global consumers' confidence with price, quality, delivery.